I enjoy the most about being an engineer is the problem solving and creativity aspect of the engineering. The fact that bringing to life a concept, an idea, and turn it to the final product that the other engineer or other people can use it in their equipment. That's the most exciting part of being an engineer. I'm lucky to be part of the micro team at FUTEK, and we are focused on miniaturization. So we are heavily involved in designing the sensor from scratch based on the customer's needs and application specifications. So we are designing it, and then we are finding out the way that how to manufacture that sensor and turn it to the final product that we able to customer to use it in their equipment. So I would say by far the nanosensors project has been the most exciting project I have been involved. So nanosensors, as you can see here, is one of the many of the FUTEK's innovations so far. We were able to design the smallest sensor available in the market from scratch and be able to find out how to manufacture it and then to turn it to the final product and give it to the customer. That was the most exciting project I have been involved. So just working at FUTEK, we are creating the cutting edge technology and we are shaping the future in sensor industry. Just give you an example of the nanosensors. When we started 3 years ago to designing and developing that sensor, there wasn't any need for it in the market. And then as we design it and we were able to execute that sensor and bring it to the market, and we will see how many other engineers and companies are excited to see that sensors and how much it helps to be get into their equipment, and then it's helped them to be able to measure in the part that they were not able to do it in the past. My best advice for the young engineers to be continuously learning, and as the technology is moving so fast, so it's very important to be up to date their skills as the new software is coming up. They learn about the new softwares. The next one would be develop a very strong problem-solving skills. It's very important, and last but not least, to be curious and asking questions. I think those things are very important for the young engineers.